Okay, let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to take a big enough piece so that I'll be able to tie it onto a door or hang it from a door hanger, and just fold it in half and tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take my mesh, and I've got it rolled over a little bit so that none of the fraying shows, and I'm just going to scrunch it into my Bowdabra. And all you're doing here is just scrunching it down, going to the center of the mesh, and this adds a great backing, so you don't need to use as much ribbon, and the mesh is so much cheaper than an expensive ribbon that's going to give you the same amount of depth. Now we'll go to the overhead camera so you can see what I'm doing from the overhead. Then what I'm going to do is take our Wave the Flag ribbon and just lay this down in here. And I'm actually going to take my wand and give everything a good little scrunch. That mesh wants to pop up. And now I'm going to take more of the Wave the Flag, and we're going to make a traditional bow. So I'm just going to twist it, and we're going to fold and twist, whoops, and fold. I'm standing on my ribbon here, and twist, and just make sure that my loops are the same size, which they are. So now I'm just going to measure all my rest of my loops by these loops here, and twist and fold and twist and fold. And the reason that I'm folding and twisting is I want the right side of the ribbon to be on the inside of my loops. And the other trick to know, or thing to know, is that we have all of the ingredients. So we have the measurements and the names of the ribbons that we're using in the description of the video. So now I'm going to just take this here and scrunch everything down. So this can make a really big bow, which is beautiful for any patriotic event, whether it's 4th of July or Memorial Day or Labor Day or Veterans Day. So we're just using our sequined sparkle ribbon here, and all I'm doing is just making what we call funky bow, and we're just going to fold it back over and lay this in. So this is how you would make an awareness ribbon, which is basically all that I'm doing here is twisting it, laying it down into the Bowdabra, folding it back over, and having the tails come down. We'll do one more of these and fold it, bring it back around, and there. And so the Bowdabra acts like your third hand, because it would be extremely difficult to hold this all in your hand, if you even could. And now, while I measure out for my shoelace bow, I'm just going to put my wand in and give everything a good scrunch. And then here we're going to make a shoelace bow, which is basically what I'm doing is I'm just taking it. Now we've already dovetailed the ends. I'm just folding it in half. I'm going to take this side of our beautiful, I'm just in love with this crushed velvet, and I love that it's lined on the inside. And we're just going to lay this down here. So this is a super simple style of bow, and just lay that down. And then I'm going to take some of my Bowdabra Scrunchie Ribbon, and we're just going to end it with another. We started with a scrunchie bow, and we're going to end with a scrunchie bow. Let's scrunch that in there. And scrunch it, and give everything a good push down. Then I'm going to take whoops, got too much stuff in the Bowdabra. Everything wants to pop out. So I'm going to just hold it down with my hands, bring my wire back, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and we're going to tie it off. And tie another knot. And now we're going to just shape our bow. So we'll bring all of our loops, take our loops from the bottom and pull those. Bring these loops here. Shape these. Bring our tails down. Bring the tails down here. And so that we want our wag the flare. So what I'm doing here is just, wag the flag, not wag the flare. And I'm just shaping everything out. And when you're finished, you have this beautiful, let's hold that right, this beautiful door swag. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.